You hear what the song say? Me no trouble, not a body. You hear what the next song say before? Make sure you think before you come trouble me. Listen, words are very powerful. Listen to the song. You said, me no trouble, not a body. You see that? Earlier on in double tap said, make sure you think. It's anything in the song with me in like, me not sing it, no matter who write it. Me, I feel comfortable with it because of my vocal. Me, it has some significant to me as a person who is singing it. Me not just get up and make man give me song or people give me song and say sing and me not. You understand me? Me have to fucking like it. I listen what the song say. Me not trouble nobody for truth. I'm in my one fucking element living life. I know say you girl life short, so just live. I know say tomorrow is no guarantee. Maybe this I don't know. My that girl, means that girl never a flop. My car, my girl, man. Me and the Jamaica did the bunks video. Bunks. We have a damn good time. But because the bunks off of me, but my voice no bunks off. Me and my car still bunks it. You can hear the love, the hurt, the passion, the pressure, the disgrace. All of it in this song. This song. See this, do you hear my voice? I go through on 10 hours and I still go through them. I love Queenie, you know. You know how much energy and effort it takes to do this song? How can I ever the soul my own voice? My own hurt, my own love, my own disgrace, my own embarrassment. All of that is in the voice of the song. I'm still bouncing because my... They don't want to break me. You can't break me because I God make me. You can't judge me. No, you can't grudge me, but you can't judge me. Listen to my voice. All over the... It's a voice that's in every household. I am a household person. My voice is in it. I'm not just an artist, you know. I am a household... I don't say it already, nice song. Duh. Hello. Am I listening? Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Hello, someone. Can someone speak to me? I don't say it, a girl can't style me. Nobody hype me up, for boots me, and for promote me. So that song, I mean, my husband writes it at Jamaica. I mean, I infidel sing it. It near mountain top. When I listen to the lyrics, Queenie, full of talent. Well, I 2 years I turn artist, you know, on the summer song I have. And I give up. I never give up the song, pan top of song. The Queen Rain. That girl Queenie. Where the next bomber clad track there? Wait the man, I have something else on the man. And I got your deck. One Queen in the Benz in the estate. This is girl, I don't need no new song. You know what I need? Life. Life is the greatest thing. I've got life and I've got many songs. So if I never get a new song, I don't give 2 years what a song if I say it for so if I saw it's so fun. Remember some all purpose, you know, means not only artist. I am all purpose. The good, the bad, and the indifference. Remember, a lot of people want to see me just so Queenie. Just to hug them and say, God! If I ever a lot of people want to see me. So when people book me, them book me because of my energy, my personality, my realness, my awfulness, my disgustingness. You can't set me up with Macka Diamond, you know. You see Macka Diamond here? Them set me up with Macka Diamond already. I'm a lash out. You know why I'm a rate Macka? She never pay me no mind. I'm never telling her. You see the page, she never pay me no mind. Macka go over somebody else's page and she like, she say, me not look on gangster, me not look on cleaning. And she never pay me no mind. And I respect her for that. So you see, you only can't set me up with Macka because you can't buy respect. You earn respect. So that's why people can't tell me shit because I have my IQ up. And a lot of people take my dumb and stupid to my nice and vulgar. But you see, Macka Diamond, how long time Macka Diamond is my idol? from before I come here. So no not tell me nothing about Macka and setting up. Before me and Macka, before I come to England, my mother name was a lady Mackerel from Jamaica days. Before I come a foreign. So when she come here, I'm meet her and she come to buy the ear from me. She was already someone who I look up to as a Jamaican strong black woman. So now I'm in this music thing with her. I see the controversy. Remember a lot of politics. Me I talk 10 stories in a one. My father, when he Amos, dead and gone, my father rest in peace. Amos always said, man come a foreign and sell drugs, them have to take the drugs because when them take drugs, them become them best supplier. And he use a lot of example and show we as them kids. I see in my head, I always I say, if I go foreign, I not take no drugs. No matter what, I not take no drugs, I stand firm. You see, I never find is. You see me from a little bit, I watch movie. I always say nobody can blackmail me and nobody now gonna make me change my thoughts and my life in. But from a little bit when my father tell me, come I was famous, From long time my father said that Bob Marley come to England, come work. And when Bob Marley I work, Bob Marley take sick on the stage and him drop. And my father said that Bob Marley jump up back and still a perform and him style it out. My father tell me like me I watch it. And I always say, when I get famous, I live my sick and I know me in a pain. Me knee a hot at my back and I still I put in the hard work. I'm telling you something, I appreciate life. I appreciate people. And I understand life. Because some I put myself in a people's situation. You see, if it's too much for me, I not bother try work it out. I just blank it off and just get on with it. And I can't set me up with Macka. I miss a girl power. I don't have nothing against Macka. I love Macka Diamond. Trust me. Me and her at Jamaica. Macka never answered 5 years ago. She never answered 2 years ago. Every day she gets hotter. I feel so good for say. As big man, she keep up herself and she find the beauty within herself. So things like that I admire about her. So I'm not in any competition. And no grudge. I make people set me against Macka. No, I won't. I will not. Okay? For support, woman, and it no matter if you have a little disagreement. Me is not a person with old grudge, Me just like walk away. Cause you see, you have me have some friend who I love. I'm in a grow them for more than an hour, half an hour. Me not tell them that. You understand me? And everybody you can't have up in your face all the while. Some people have to love them from a distance. Because you never always clash and agree. You understand me? So it's me. Me's a peaceful woman, I'm very peaceful and manageable and nice. But if I go so leap and I have a little feelings, all if I say, me not like how I feel. Me not bother want to grab me. I just so much steer. So no feelings about anyone. I don't hold any grudge and I don't want anyone to trouble me. Come in your life for a reason. Some come for a season and some come for a lifetime. Now a lot of people provoke me and them always provoke me because my mouth slippery. But then again, on a provoke artist, on a provoke me and the more on a provoke me, on a keep me stronger. You see, Macka Diamond still relevant. I'm like that with her. Macka they all about over the world. I do a look at something and I get out in life. I'm like Macka Diamond for that. Because you have some people who in a music, I not hear from them all long. She's still relevant. So I forget what drew to her. You understand? You see me, I don't call nobody name to me. No, leave me alone. Me I talk about my friend Macka Diamond. How much someone who I'm talk about at a time? One, do not call anyone else's name to me. I am scared. I am not looking. My new management said, no comments, Queenie. We know you're more slippy, and you're rude and feisty. And I say, me not just feisty, sir. And them say, no, Queenie, you're feisty. I say, all right, then I'm going to take it to say this feisty. So we're going to try that. So new management said, I must not call anybody's. Lord God, me but could have trouble me and my birthday I come. But could I put my girl power them in the head. Are the fittest survive. Music is life. All the next 100 years when my dead and gone, them sang just to make a whole heap of money for my grandparents them and my great grand them. Tell me, say, when you not cause me, boy, you say girl for worldwide girl power, we are strong girl. England girl, them a top girl. Jamaican girl, them a hot girl. Caribbean girl, them a good girl. Worldwide girl power, we are strong girl. Listen to music, we Queen the phone on the go.